Hey, what is happening, guys? So in this video, I just want to make a short update on my upcoming course, Advanced CSS and SASS, when we're going to learn about CSS. Well, not the basics of CSS, it will be a bit more advanced, but also as a beginner, you could jump right into it because I will take steps really slowly. We'll also learn about Flexbox, CSS Grid. After that, we'll learn about animations, transitions, and then we will jump into SASS. So mainly because I wanted to build a course where we can build our own framework like Bootstrap or Bootswatch, which are really great, but most people don't understand them and are unable to manipulate them. So I thought I'm going to make this course in order for you to, well, kind of be able to manipulate things like Bootstrap. So we are going to build our buttons, our typography with variables and all that good stuff. Components for forms and so far and so on. And this is actually one of the first projects after we build our variables, so our variable components and our typography, we'll jump in and create this. Well, let me just show you this CV. Special about this is that all of this is switchable to another color. So down here we'll have two buttons, and if we click on the dock, then you can see all of the icons changes color, the background changes color, this left part aside changes its color, and the footer also changes color. So if I would click back to light, this will be blue, all of the icons, and this text right here will be blue. And we will use actually classes to define what kind of font size and how much padding and so far and so on this title should have, this paragraph should have. We will use a lot of classes, so not that much. We'll build everything up in the back using SASS, and then we'll just apply classes in our HTML. Okay, so that's it actually for the first project. We'll also use grid area to create this. This is actually using grid area. And what else is there? Let me switch it back again. I like much better this way. I also forgot to mention yet that, of course, each project will be responsive. So let me quickly just show you this. We're now in an iPhone X format. And let me switch the color real quickly. So back to the light color. And let's take a look in an iPad format. And now back to responsive. So let's stretch it out, and if we go down to 700 something pixels, then yeah. So let's go back to responsive, and I can actually close this up and go back to dark mode. Yeah, so I hope that the course will be out to the end of April. I know a lot of you asked me on social medias when it's going to be out. I hope it's end of April. I do have a lot of stuff to do with work and this P word that is happening right now. And I'm also going to be a father in a few weeks. So yeah, a lot of stuff on my head. Okay, guys, so if you want to check out the course, I will leave a link in the description below. Well, I'm still adding things to the course, so you won't see everything. But hey, check it out if you want it. And also hit the like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this and keep you up to date with all of the newest things that I'm doing in the course. Yeah. Also, leave a comment if you want to see more stuff in the course. If you want me to add something, just leave it down in the comments and I will be glad to answer. Okay, guys, so see you next time. Bye-bye.